Hi guys, I'm Amy Conway, Global Pro Artist for Bobbi Brown, and today I'm here with LOOKFANTASTIC to show you my quick and simple everyday skincare routine. Now, I love to do this for the occasions where you're just popping up the shop or you just want your skin to really glow and have minimal makeup. So when I do this, I always start with extra eye repair cream. This for me is my go-to eye cream because it's such a gorgeous balm texture. I love to use it evening and day, but both ways you kind of take a little amount, warm that up into your fingertips, and then take directly underneath the eye. Now for overnight, it almost is like it's like a gorgeous eye mask that you can use right the way over the lid and the under eye. But for day, I'm just gonna take that underneath to ensure that anything I pop on top will look bright and hydrated. Next, I'm gonna go in with Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and this is a moisturiser I cannot live without. It's jam-packed with vitamins, and it's a moisturiser and a primer all in one. It smells incredible because it's packed with vitamin C, which as we know is an ultimate brightener and really instantly gives radiance to the skin, as well as evening out any redness and texture. So the finish of this is almost like a really rich cream, yet it feels so lightweight on the skin. So you want to take a nice amount, warm up again into your hands and take directly onto the skin. Now what's great about this is it is actually oil-free. If you get any shiny areas, so it will really softly give you that sheen without it looking greasy or oily, and it conditions and hydrates areas that are naturally quite dehydrated, like the cheeks and the jawline. So I'm going to take that right the way over. But what I love most is this just makes your makeup look and feel incredible, whether you're going to put a foundation on top or just a touch of concealer. Then once you've prepped and primed your skin, this is where you can add a little bit of glow if you need it. So I'm going to do this with the Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. I'm going to use this in Bare Glow because it does give you that soft highlighted sheen without any glitter at all. So it's almost like a liquid highlighter. You want to really warm that up, take it right the way in areas where you want that added tint and glow. See, for me, where I'm naturally quite dry, you can take this all the way over the skin. But if you're combination or oily, just focus it to the high points where you'd normally apply a highlighter. Next, I'm going to even out any redness in the skin or darkness in areas with a concealer. And I'm going to do this with the Instant Full Cover Concealer, which I love because you can use it on dark areas like the under eyes, but also in areas that are naturally quite oily like blemishes or maybe redness around the cheeks. So I love to use this by swiping underneath the eye. This will give you a good amount of coverage, and you don't need a brush to blend that out. You can actually just use your finger and press that through. Really focusing on the inner corner of the eye, right the way underneath, and blending that to the top of the cheekbone. And then I'm just going to take the excess down around the nose area and just across to the cheek, because this is the area on most of us where we naturally get a little more redness. So you can see even just by taking it across there, it naturally makes the face look a lot more even. And then what I love to do with this is take it in my handbag throughout the day because it's brilliant just to touch up in areas if you feel like you want a little added coverage, but without having to go to a foundation. And just softly press that in with your fingertips versus sweeping. And that's because when you press in with your fingers, you'll find that you get this really soft, flawless application. Whereas no matter how clean your hands are, you still have natural oils in your fingertips. So when you sweep, you actually remove makeup as you're trying to apply. So I'm just softly bouncing that across the skin for a more airbrush look. And then finally, one of my favorite products for minimal makeup is the Extra Lip Tint. And this is a 2-in-1. It's a lip balm and a lip stain. So you get all of that goodness of nourishing the lip with a hint of color. And what I love is it actually looks a different shade on every single lip color. So on me, it actually goes quite pinky, depending on what your natural coloring is. So that's what I love, is it almost enhances the brightness in your lip and takes it to your furthest amount of brightness that's still comfortable for your skin tone. And then I love to take a touch just on the cheek because this will really enhance the natural warmth in your cheeks and will double up as a really gorgeous glossy blush. So here we have it, my simple, easy, everyday routine when you're after minimal makeup and that gorgeous natural glow coming from your skincare. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and remember you can shop all of this at LOOKFANTASTIC. Bye.